Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carlos and this is Carlos Illustrates. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do a mat for artwork like this right here. And this is something that you can either hang by itself or put in a frame, and I'll show you in a little bit how it would look if this was on a frame. This is just a sample that I did earlier, so I'm gonna show you right now how I cut this right here. All right, so stay tuned for that. Don't look at this mess back here. I'm trying to clean it up, or I need to do something, I don't know. So stay tuned. So first things first, here's the artwork that I want to frame, and as you can see, it's this little house with somebody over up in the attic, and the scene is supposed to look kind of cold and kind of chilly. I think that's kind of the feeling you get, right? And this one is done in ink, India ink, on watercolor paper. And again, this one is 8x6. So here I already pre-cut my my board. That's the back, and this one is 10x12. It's 10x12. So what I'm gonna do is center this. Now you can do it this way, you can do it, you know, make it interesting and do different kind of border sizings, but I want it centered. And the distance here is going to be 2.25 inches. So the frame is going to be more like this. It's going to cut it like right there. So I already marked in the back my size, as you can see, very light with pencil. And like I said, it's 2.25 inches all sides. And it's interesting, this was made on June 21st of this year. Okay, so here I have my compact classic mat cutter, and it's this right here. I got this one online. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but you can find them at Michael's, and quite honestly, it was more expensive on Michael's than I got it from. I think I got it from Blick Art Supplies or Jerry's Arorama. I cannot remember, but it was cheaper than the one at Michael's. And it comes with this angled cutter, and I'm going to show you how it works in a little bit. So the brand is called Logan Graphic Products, and it's actually really nifty. This adjusts right here. That's the scale, depending on the size of the frame. So here we are. I'm going to slide this in and see right there, mark my line. Let me zoom in for a little bit. Okay, so the ruler right here, the edge is right on my 2.25 inches mark, right there. So what I'm gonna do is move this. This has this little knobs. This tightens and loosens the scale. So I'm going to push it up and tighten it. Here we go. That's it. All right. Now this one comes with a little mark, and you're supposed to line this line with the line on, you know, the frame right here, the inside. So this is how it's done. Let me see if I can move this over. Put it right here, and this has a little rail where you can slide this back and forth. So just line it, zoom in right there, it's lined, and then we're gonna go from here to the other line, which is going to be right there. So let's see. Here we go. So you put the thing on the track, press this down, and slide. Stop, lift, and then you can do the other side. And really, you don't have to adjust the scale, just if all sides are the same size, you don't have to adjust it. Otherwise, you're gonna have to like move it around and fix it. We're gonna do the same thing. Line, push, slide. Here we go. And again. Push, slide. And the last part. And if we did this right, this should come off by itself. Let me zoom out. Hold on. All right. Fingers crossed. Here we go. And there you go. Don't you just love this? I love that. So neat, clean. And then this, I think I'm gonna make smaller paintings and just cut, do the same thing, but just a smaller opening, and just do mini paintings, smaller than this one, and use it, because I have several from the other ones that I already cut. And yeah, that's gonna be cute. And there it goes. That's it. Now I'm gonna put this away for a minute. Hold on just a second. And here we go. So this should fit like this. See how much neater that looks? All right. So here, I'm gonna use this matting tape. I got this at, where did I get this at? My God, I can't remember. I know I did not get it on Michael's because they don't have stuff like this, or at least I haven't seen it. I might have gotten it online as well. Anyway, but this is matting tape, and it looks like this. You can, I don't know if you can see it, so there you go. Right? And it holds the picture together. Now, if you want to change the mat to something else, to another color, you're gonna have to cut along this line, because if you try to peel it off, it's just gonna tear the paper, because that is on there permanently. So this is how I do this right here, and I'm gonna do this right now. Hold on. So I take some tape out, cut it right there, and then you can do it halfway or a quarter. You can see a quarter, half inch, or even deeper, but I'm going to do it about a quarter right there. Oops, there you go. So there. Then I do the bottom. Now you can do the sides. I only do 2 sides first, and I'm going to show you why. So there we go. Cut. Do the same thing. Eyeball it. Put your painting down. Then careful, make sure that you land at the right spot, because otherwise you're gonna tear the paper. So it looks about right there. Yep. Boom. Press there, press here. There you go. Now just go back over here and then do the other 2 sides. Tape it down. And about 1/4 of an inch. There we go. Now the other side. Right there, right? Oops, sorry. Damn it. Okay. In about 1/4 of an inch. Right there. Right there, sorry. I'm not looking at the camera. Here we go. Press. And there you go. And now it's ready. Now you can hang it like this. You can hang your artwork like this, or put it in a frame. Let me see how. I have a frame over here. Now I have this frame. This one's already framed in there, but I'm just gonna use this as a sample. You know, you can do. See how much neat, clean that looks. Once, if you put this on a frame, now you can do any color frame. You can do gold, whichever, you know, brown, natural wood, whatever. I prefer the white ones because it's just gonna, it's more neutral. But yeah, and there you go. That's the finished. That's the finished matted one. So I have this one, this little house. This is from the tiny house collection that I did some time ago. Here's this one. Now these paintings were based on real little houses. Again, of, you know, photo stocks that I found on Pinterest. Here's this one. I love this one right here. See the birds. All these are done in ink. And marker. Here's one with the little birds again. Here's this one. And that cute little satellite. They have satellite. And there's this one right here. So I think in total there are 6 little houses. And of course I have, wait, this way, right here. This one has a name, but I can't remember it now. And I'm using my phone to record this. Again, this one is done in oil paints on paper. But here's a close-up. I just love this effect of the blur, you know, lines. And here's the beach scene. I think I call this one Where Are My Glasses, because you can't really see much of it. So yeah, that's the gist of it. So that's it. That's the finished work, and I will keep you posted on what's happening next week. I want to make another painting, probably a bigger painting, but I don't know if I have time, because I also want to finish this little bag behind me, that one right there. Yeah, that one's this one's looking really cute. So I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. It's chrome leather. This is a work bag, because I needed something bigger, and it's gonna be really roomy, so I can't wait. This one has the same pocket as the other one. Big phone fits in here, and handles. This one is about 14 inches by 7 by 12. So yeah, that's gonna be next. I'm gonna try to finish it tomorrow, just to get it out of the way, and I'll let you know how it turns out. Okay, so I'll talk to you later. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy watching this. Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, pass it along, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.